Hello guys, today we have this smart wireless thermometer. It actually gives you an estimated cooking time. It has USDA meat presets, okay, so that way it just makes it easier to know what term you want your meat or whatever is that you're cooking. It gives you alert notifications and then also gets you data graph and much more. Let's go ahead and unbox it and let's go ahead and show you what comes inside. Wow, okay, look at this. This is beautiful. Look at this wood base. On the front, you actually have the temperature right here, the battery for each one of the thermometers. Okay, this is 4 of them, okay, together, so that way you can cook 4 different types of meals. Also on this little tiny box, we have 4 of the adapters right here, so that way we can actually know which one is 1, which one is 2, which one is 3 and 4 whenever they're taken out, because you're gonna get confused. So you can actually just put them like this. Inside the box you're gonna find a USB cable, USB-A to Type-C. Okay, so this is for charging your base, and the base will charge each one of the probes. It also comes with the instruction manual, and inside here you can actually find the QR code for the app. Okay, the app is called Probe Plus. Okay, right away it's gonna say to add a device. Once you take one of them out, it's gonna put the whole base in searching mode. Okay, so now we can actually find it, and we can just click on it and it's all set up. Okay, so now this is connected to that. So if we actually get out probe 1 or probe 2 or probe 3, okay, or 4, okay, this is going to tell us, as far as the numbers of each probes. Very simple to use. Okay. Now let me go ahead and show you whenever we're cooking, how this, actually works. And this smart thermometers actually make cooking very simple, because now you know the actual temperature of the food. We can just put it on there. And if I actually, look in my phone, it's going to tell me that it is, 17 degrees Celsius. Now, if I use a different thermometer right here and I put it on the cooked food right here, okay, it's going to tell me the actual temperature, and each one of them is going to actually continue to monitor the temperature. You can have up to 4 thermometers monitoring the temperature. Okay, so that way your app will actually let you know when your food is done. They're also very simple to wash and have them ready for the next use. I hope that the information in this video was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.